Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to draw climate circles on a paper, and I will also show how to derive formulas for making climate circles. So let's begin. Draw a circle on paper. This circle is the circle of the Tropic of Capricorn and will decide the size of your astrolabe. From the center C, extend a line segment to the point T at an angle of 23.5 degrees with the equatorial line. Now from the south S, extend a line segment to the point T intersecting the equatorial line at point G. CG is the radius of the equatorial circle. Draw a circle of radius CG from the center C. The circle of the equator will intersect with the line segment CT at point D, which was drawn at 23.5 degrees. Now from the south S dash of the equator, draw a line segment to the point D intersecting the equatorial line at point F. CF is the radius of the Tropic of Cancer. Draw a circle with a radius CF from the center C. This is how climate circles are made. Draw a circle of radius R for the circle of the equator. From the center C, extend a line segment towards the south of equatorial line at point F at 23.5 degrees with the equatorial line for the Tropic of Capricorn. Therefore, the angle NCF is 90 plus 23.5 degrees. Now, from the south of the equatorial circle S, draw a line segment passing through the point F to the equatorial line at point G. The angle CSG is 90 plus 23.5 divided by 2. Now in a right angle triangle SCG, 10 90 plus 23.5 divided by 2 is equal to CG upon CS. Rearranging the formula, CG, which is the radius of the circle of the Tropic of Capricorn, is equal to CS, which is the radius R of the circle of the equator, into 10 90 plus 23.5 divided by 2. Find the radius CG of the circle of the Tropic of Capricorn using this formula. Then draw a circle of radius CG from the center C. Using the same radius R for the circle of the equator, extend a line segment from the center C towards the north side of the equatorial line at point T at 23.5 degrees with the equatorial line. Therefore, the angle NCT is 90 minus 23.5. Now extend the line segment from the south of the equatorial circle to the point T intersecting the equatorial line at point U. The angle CSU is 90 minus 23.5 divided by 2. Therefore, in a right angle triangle SCU, 10 90 minus 23.5 divided by 2 is equal to CU upon CS. CU, which is the radius of the circle of the Tropic of Cancer, is equal to CS, which is the radius R of the circle of the equator, into 10 90 minus 23.5 divided by 2. Find out the radius of the Tropic of Cancer using this formula. Draw a circle of radius CU from the center C. In the next video, I will show how to project the horizon on the climate circles for an observer at different latitudes. Please subscribe to my channel to get updates on the upcoming videos.